They make bad laws today. Would they live there forever?
No.
Therefore, we are asking for good laws because good laws live forever.
Yes.
And anybody, whether he has been in government, he has been out of government, injustice has no name.
Yes.
Injustice does not recognize poverty. It does not recognize hardship. It does not recognize time. So we are saying the National Assembly should do what is right for the benefit of our children, not even us.
If the Conference Committee of the National Assembly finally adopts the will of the people, talking about the transmission, e-transmission, finally, would this resolve the 100% or 200% problem we have in our electoral system?
It's just going to set the agenda for the struggle for credible election. Because even if at the end of the day we got the president signing it, we will still now have to mobilize to ensure the enforcement during voting, because they have indicated that they will rig this election, so they will not give up. Don't forget that the struggle of Nigerian people was summarized by Professor Mahmoud. When he ultimately had rigged the election, he said anybody who is dissatisfied should go to court.
Yes.
And there is an East African adage that if a thief asks you to go to court, he is sure that the judge is his brother.
It's on his side.
In 2023, ICC there was this, they occupied that area. I was there for almost 3 days. It's still the same IRF issue, where people are still saying the 2023 presidential election is not credible, which President Bola Ahmed Tinubu became the president. It's still the same IRF. Did you still believe in this electronic transmission of results?
It will, the e-transmission of result will guarantee at least 80% of transparency.
Yes.
It's going to give us 80%. It's not going to give us the ultimate, but 80%. And it is this 80% that will give us credible election that will produce good leaders. And so let me sound this warning. Those who are going about telling us that Tinubu is a great strategist, and so the election is concluded, they are just daydreaming.
Wasting their time.
They are just wasting their time. If Tinubu is a great tactician, a great strategist, let's see it transformed into policies. When we see good policies, when we see Nigerians living better, we know that we have a great strategist occupying the villa. This is a person who cannot manage the economy. He is only known for globe-trotting. And then you are telling us that, oh, there's a great tactician, that there's none. Nigerians have been killed. 4 or 5 days ago, a complete community was wiped up. Where is the strategy? Therefore, I think we should not be deceived. And APC should take this warning seriously, because we are not going to allow them to get away with it again. Go and demonstrate it in the forest. Not here when Nigerians are peacefully asking for good legislature, which is a constitutional requirement, and you are coming here. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Some of you are not even looking too healthy. I doubt if they have paid you. Go and do the right thing.
Yes.
But do the right thing. You can't come here and intimidate anybody.
So what are you here for, sir?
Which kind of sound is that?
It is no more news that we're asking for a credible elections. And of course, we believe that real-time e-transmission of results at least will be the beginning of credible elections in Nigeria.
I want to ask this, do you think INEC is ready for that? Because it's just a year to the next general elections.
Well, I'm not a spokesperson of INEC anyway. But if INEC is not even prepared for elections, they should go to the National Assembly and tell Nigerians that they are not prepared for the elections. And I don't want the idea of a new INEC chairman to be used to rig this 2027 election, because INEC is an institution and there is continuity in INEC. He's the only person that is changed there. All those who helped Mahmoud rig elections are still intact. And the message is for them that, of course, there is going to be no technical glitch this time, because, I mean, we've gone to understood the technique of what is technical glitch. Therefore, all that Nigerians are asking for is give us a credible election to choose our leaders. Whosoever is elected as a president of Nigeria, whether a madman, we will accept him. But nobody with less than 50% again will announce himself president in this country. It's unacceptable. No, these people don't see very well. They don't see very well. Let them see what you are saying. You are a citizen of this country.
Okay, did I call your name? Please be civil now.
You see, the problem with what the police are doing here is that I don't know whether you people have forgotten your training or you have forgotten the Police Act. The Police Act provides that you should protect us, not to protect these people who are sitting there. We are priority by the Constitution. I don't know why our Nigerian police will always be good in offer protection to those who commit crime. Because to change the proceedings of the National Assembly is a commission of a crime. And the police do not need any authority to go and pick those criminals in the National Assembly. So it's not for you to come and barricade here. We are very peaceful Nigerians. We are just ready to engage them. And of course, since yesterday, you can see from our conduct that we are peaceful. The only violent people here is the police. Yes. Because it is you that are carrying arms. It is you that has brought all the weapons which you would have used to fight terrorists and bandits to fight us. You've abandoned your responsibility to the Americans, and you are here and protecting these people who have failed to discharge their responsibilities.
They are protecting
and I think that if the IGP will want us to offer free tutorials to the police about policing, we will still do that because we want a better country for ourselves and our children. You are also suffering just like Nigerians are suffering. Oh, yes. And therefore, I don't know why nobody has the confidence and the courage to one day say that, oh, this is what the police should be. It's a shame. And I'm so disappointed that I can see this number of police here, the force mobilized here, but the whole community was wiped up in Kwara. Women were kidnapped and bandits beating women, while the police are here with different ranks, pretending to be looking very innocent, but carrying lethal weapons, while Nigerians here are armless. It's the bandits that are waiting for you, not us. We will help you, even if you are going to the forest, we will still help you because we are Nigerians. And I think it is time Nigerians should always come out to fight for their rights, because rights are not donated. No. Countries that were liberated all over the world fought for liberation. And we will not give up. 2027 is watershed. 2027 is watershed. Yes. Anybody thinking he will rig again, please help us inform him that rigging is no more fashionable. It's no more fashionable. No, it's unacceptable. Even if the whole governors decamp, even if INEC also decamp, even if the Supreme Court decamp, even the Nigerian police decamp, even Nigerian army decamp, you have Nigerian people to contend with. Just take this. All of you can decamp and go to APC. We will allow you. But you will still have to contend with us in 2027. It is either a credible election or no. I don't want to say anything. So don't assume what we are doing here as child's play. No. We are firing warning shot, because even police themselves fire warning shots. It is sad. You come here to block, to protect these people. You can't protect Nigerians, even in Abuja here.
They are protecting people that are killing them.